Hello friends, Running Kimono, and we have an awesome deal for some dirt cheap Tampax. If you know anything about these ladies products, this one is the best. And you might disagree with me, but I love P&G products, and I think this one is the best. So over at Walgreens, I think this is a monthly promotion. The smaller box of the 18 counts are 2 for $10. This deal, you can either do it as a curbside or you could do it in store, because I believe this is the exact same price when you pick up 2. It's $10, and this is a monthly promotion. Okay, so the digital coupon that we're going to need is this one, which is a 3 off of 2. So we're going to need this guy loaded specifically. Now, if you don't have this one, there's another store where you can get this as a money maker, and I'll show this to you in a quick second. This is a manufacturer coupon. And there's also an identical one in the August P&G. Unfortunately, you cannot stack 2 manufacturers for any deal at any store. That's what 1 coupon per purchase means. So load this digitally for the most painless transaction over at Walgreens. Now, if you go over to your IBOTTA account, there's a $3 cash back for each box. Oh my gosh, so load this one right away. Now, a lot of you are like, well, that's for Rite Aid. If you look at the bottom, the second store is Walgreens. So there it is. And if you haven't signed up for IBOTTA, today is the day. I think when you use my link, you'll get an extra $10 or $20 bonus for new signups only, and you'll be shopping on my team for IBOTTA. Okay, so over at Walgreens, grabbing 2 of the boxes, that's 10 on the nose, subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're paying $7. You're going to get $6 back from IBOTTA, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per box. Oh my gosh, we've not had these products this cheap in probably a year. You can either do this curbside or in-store. It is your choice. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, so over at Walmart, see the 18 count box at the bottom is $3.83. Now, I'm not sure if Walmart might carry the super count of that small count as well, but if you need super tampons, you might have to head over to Walmart instead of Walgreens. It is your choice. And then if you look at that IBOTTA rebate again, Walmart is one of the stores, so you will get $3 back for each. And we're going to look at this just buying it without a coupon and then buying it with a coupon, because I know a lot of you might not have any manufacturer coupons from the August P&G. Okay, so the first one is without the coupon. Grab 2 of the boxes for $3.83. That's $7.66. Make that $6 submission to IBOTTA, so you'll get that $3 back twice, so that's $6. It makes it $1.66 for the 2 or 83 cents per box. No coupons needed. Now, if you have that 3 off of 2 from the August P&G, I believe it expires on the 28th of August, so you are free and clear to use it. Grab 2 of them, subtracting that coupon, you're paying $4.66, getting $6 back from IBOTTA, making this free plus $1.34 moneymaker. Okay, guys, so before I take off, I just want you guys to know that I made a TikTok account. They finally allowed up to 3-minute videos. You guys know I'm super long-winded, long bag of air when I'm talking. So I was just never comfortable with these itty-bitty videos that couldn't be consecutive. So I'm like, when I heard about that 3-minute mark, I'm like, hey, I signed up. So I made an account. As you can see, I don't have a lot of followers. So if you want to follow me, it's pinned in the comment. And we're going to start making videos over there. How fun is that? The last little dealio we're going to share with you guys is over at Bath & Body Works. These pocket backs are $1 today. So typically they're about $1.95. And if you are girly and all things foo-foo, you know that these pocket backs are a must. So in store, you can get a limit of 20. Online, it's these 5 counts in a limit of 4, so it's the same amount with the code SCHOOLPREP. So in store, there's this thing from your email that you would scan, and then you would get your first 20 for $1 each. And then online, use the code SCHOOLPREP, and it's bathandbodyworks.com. They have a lot of fun Halloween ones, or just the regular ones. Even if you want this as a stocking stuffer, or if you go through one every other week like yours truly, it's something to stock up on. And here is the code for in-store if you want to grab a screenshot of it and get the cashier to scan it. Everybody had the same code. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.